Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the FolderColor package in Unity. This tool is really useful for organizing your project folders and making your workspace cleaner and more efficient. You can find this package on the Asset Store. Just search for FolderColor. The creator is Nukiland. Thank you for making this useful tool. Let's import this package into our project and start using it. First, I will open the Unity Asset Store window and find FolderColor. Once we have it, we can click Import to add it to our project. Normally, all Unity folders look the same, which can make it difficult to quickly find what you're looking for, especially in large projects. With FolderColor, you can assign different colors to different folders, making everything easier to navigate. Let me show you how it works. After installing the FolderColor package, you can simply right-click on any folder in your project window. You'll see a new menu option called Set Folder Color. You can also create your own custom colors if you want a personal touch. FolderColor also allows you to copy colors between folders or reset them back to default, which is really useful when organizing multiple folders at once. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unity tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.